Did you hear about the guy who made his Milo with cold water? He was promptly arrested for disturbing the peace of hot beverage enthusiasts. Welcome to the world of Milo, an iconic chocolate malt drink that has become a staple in Jamaican households. This isn't just a beverage, it's a cultural symbol, a cherished childhood memory, and a topic of heated debate. Yes, you heard that right. The controversy over the correct way to prepare Milo has divided families, ended friendships, and sparked passionate discussions in the local pubs. Milo, with its rich cocoa flavor, creamy texture, and unique malt taste, is more than just a drink. It's an experience, a tradition, and a comfort food that brings people together. But make no mistake, there's a right and a wrong way to make it. So if you've been making Milo in any other way, I hate to break it to you, but you've been doing it all wrong. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of concocting the perfect cup of Milo. It's not rocket science, but it's close enough. Now pay attention, because we're about to embark on a culinary journey to create the ultimate comfort beverage. First things first, you'll need to boil some water. Yes, that's right, we're starting with the basics. You may think it's simple, but the temperature of the water is key to unlocking the full flavor of the Milo. So make sure your water is piping hot, and I mean steaming like a locomotive hot. Next, we move on to the star of the show, the Milo powder. Now this isn't your regular cocoa powder, oh no, it's a unique blend of malted barley, sugar and cocoa that creates that distinct Milo taste we all know and love. The perfect ratio? I'd say a generous 3 heaping spoonfuls to every cup of hot water, but remember, perfection is subjective. If you prefer your Milo a bit more robust, feel free to add an extra spoonful. Now comes the stirring. And this isn't just any stirring, it's a vigorous, clockwise stirring that gets the Milo powder completely dissolved. It's a mini workout for your arm and a crucial step in achieving the perfect consistency. Sugar? Well, that's completely optional. If you have a sweet tooth, go ahead and add a spoonful or two. But remember, the Milo powder already contains sugar, so you may want to tread lightly here. Finally, we come to the piece de resistance, the milk. Pour it in to taste, but make sure it's fresh. The milk adds a creamy texture and a depth of flavor that completes the Milo experience. And voila, you have your perfect cup of Milo, unless of course you are that guy who uses cold water, in which case we need to have a serious chat. If you've blinked and missed the steps, here's a quick and funny recap for you. So first things first, you've got to get your hands on that magical Milo powder. It's like the pixie dust of the beverage world, but instead of giving you wings, it brings a smile to your face and a warm, fuzzy feeling in your belly. Once you've secured your Milo, you need to find the perfect mug. Not any old mug will do. It needs to be a vessel worthy of the Milo magic. Think of the Holy Grail, but for hot beverages. Next, we need hot water. Not warm, not lukewarm, but hot. Hot enough to create a Milo whirlpool in your mug. It's like a soap opera in there. The hot water is the dashing hero, and the Milo powder is the damsel in distress, slowly dissolving into the arms of her savior. Now this next step is crucial. The sugar, the fairy dust of the Milo world. This isn't just about sweetening the drink, oh no, it's about achieving the perfect balance of chocolatey, malty goodness. It's like a tightrope walker balancing on a high wire. Too much and you'll fall into the pit of oversweetness. Too little, and well, it's like a comedy without the punchline. And now, for the grand finale. The stirring, not too slow, not too fast. It's a delicate dance, a ballet of spoon and liquid. The goal? A smooth, velvety Milo without a single lump in sight. Finally, we arrive at the moment of truth, the tasting. If done correctly, the first sip should transport you straight to a tropical Jamaican beach with the sun on your face and the sound of the ocean in your ears. And that, my friends, is the secret to making the perfect cup of Milo, unless you're a cold water enthusiast, in which case I'm afraid there's no saving you.